Do I ever feel like my working on myself has become something compulsive? I was asked. No, not really. I mean, for a couple of reasons. Number one, I don't work on myself to fix something. I don't even really like that idea of somebody's broken and needs healing. I mean, of course, it's appropriate sometimes, but it's way overused. I orient around creating, and it's the same orientation I've had since I was a little kid. Wanted to go out in the woods and build a fort or make a bike ramp or build something, make something. It's like, I do the same thing with me that I've done with everything with my hands in the world my whole life. So, when I think of the word compulsion, I think of it's like I'm doing it from fear, really. Like I have to do it or else I'm not safe and I'm not okay. And it's not like that for me at all. I guess I should say that I shouldn't say it's never like that. I guess sometimes, but very rarely, because to act for more than a day from that place of fear and compulsion is so tiresome and so not the way I want to live life. If anything, my whole life I've had such an orientation towards enjoying myself that I just have a hard time stomaching spending my time doing something to get somewhere else. I love everything that I'm doing because of what it's creating in that present moment, including self-creation. Could call it working on yourself, but as I've said before elsewhere, I call it playing with myself more than working on myself. It's fun. So what if that's not something to work towards, but just something to jump into, to slip into? The other thing here too is that I don't actually believe that any of the stuff that I'm creating for myself is like the ultimate truth. Like self-development is like the play that lives on top of a much deeper truth that for me is the foundation, that's way beyond meaning and form and habit and behavior and action, and it's all made up, man. It's all just a story. All the material world, it's all illusion. It's a good one. I like it. It's why I'm driving on the right-hand side of the road right now. But still, I live the question, how am I creating this? And all of that sits on the foundation of a deeper knowing that I'm not doing any of this. It's all just happening. So, whatever. Whatever. That's the ground upon which all of mine, we need to make something happen, stands. And it doesn't matter. It's all good. I love you.